Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is John. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create PDF files, secured PDF files that are going to require a password to unlock, or you could also restrict being able to print the document, the PDF file. You could also restrict being able to copy text from that document. So this is all possible through the use of a software, a freeware program available online. It's called Primo PDF, and that's it. Let's search for it, and we click on that. Download free, yes. And once you click on this, you're gonna have the exe file downloaded to your machine, and you can run the file immediately, so it gets installed on your laptop or PC. So I have that done already before now, so I'm not gonna redo that anymore. It's basically very easy to install, and you shouldn't have any problem or challenges doing that. So now, I forgot to mention, the software basically enables you to convert most MS Office documents, that's like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentations. You can convert that easily to PDF files, secure PDF files basically. All right, so we're going to start by I'm going to try to print this right now, not save as. You can access that function by printing. So I'm going to print, and for your drop down menu, you can see right here it says Primo PDF. So we're going to select that from the printer menu here and print. Okay, so we're going to have this dialog box pop up. You click on no. Clicking these options is going to take you to the website, and you're going to require to make some payments and all that. We don't want that for now. We don't need it right now. So PDF security, we have password required to open, edit. Yes. All right, so from this dialog box here, we can actually choose a password. Now if I leave this unchecked, you're just gonna have a PDF document created, and you're not gonna need to provide a password to open the document, right? But since we're gonna be securing the PDF file, so I already have my previous settings in here. I have the word hello in here, HELLO. So you have to put that in twice so that the software verifies that you are actually not making an error. And then for your permissions as well, I'm going to check this off. So here it says require a password to change security settings and access specific functions. So I'm going to disable printing. I'm going to click on none. For other changes allowed, none as well. We have changes like rotating pages and stuff like that. I'm going to leave that as none. Then also enable copying of text, images, and other content. I'm not going to check that off, so the recipient is not going to be able to copy any text or stuff like that. Then I'm going to make this password right now is actually different from this one. So this is hello1. Hello1. That's what I have here. So I'm going to leave this unchecked. So we the recipient, the PDF file cannot be copied. The text for the PDF file cannot be copied. So I'm going to click on OK and create a PDF. All right. So I'm going to save this on my desktop. And voila. So here we have it. So I'm going to put in the password, hello, HELLO, and yes, this is it. This is the PDF file. I'm going to try to copy the document now. Let's see. Oh, copy the text, sorry. So I'm right clicking right now. I'm unable to right click and copy. All right. So that's it, guys. All right. That's it. So please like and subscribe to the channel. All right, and thanks for watching. See you next time.